let's answer question B. Roman figure B, Z is equals to 15 plus J26. Let's do this together, please. What type of series circuit is this? Is this RL or RC? Why is it RL? Because of the sign, positive. So this is what RL series circuit. And by RL series circuit, what's the formula of Z? Z is equals to R plus JXL. Now, from here, what will be your R here without solving? What's the value of resistor? 15. From what we've done before. But let's solve. Now, call the given question Z1 and call the impedance of RL series circuit as Z2. Relate it to complex number by saying Z1 is equals to Z2. Now, substitute, meaning that 15 plus J26 is equals to R plus JXL. Now, write in quotes, what do you have? From equal complex number, R is equals to 15 ohms, XL is equals to what? 26 ohms. Now, how do we get L? Because there's a relationship between this and this, right? And this relationship is that XL is equals to 2 pi FL. Call this equation 1. From equation 1, make L the subject of the formula. L becomes what? XL over 2 pi F, right? Substitute. L is equals to, what's your XL? Divided by 2 pi times 50. What's the answer? L is equals to 0.0883 Henry. 83 Henry. Now let's express our L in millihenry. What are you going to multiply with? This L that you've got to multiply by what? You multiply by what? Millihenry. It's 10 per 3. 10 per 3. That's what I said before. If you want to convert milli, you've gotten your answer. From that answer, you want to express to milli. Multiply by 10 per 3. Your answer, if you want to convert to pico, multiply by 10 per 12. If you want to convert to nano, multiply to what? 10 per 9. If you want to convert to micro, multiply by 10 per 6. So meaning that this answer, I want to convert to micro. Sorry, milli. So L becomes what? 0.083 multiplied by 10 per 3. And this will give you what? 83 millihenry. So this is the answer. So if you are doing OBJ and you see this, you are correct. And you see this, you are correct. But from theory, if you stop here, you get your full mark. Let's solve for C. What's the first task? What's your first step? First thing first is what? What's the impedance here? Given 0 negative J 40 ohms. Now, what type of series circuit is this? Why do you say RC series circuit? Because of the sign. Meaning that this is RC series circuit. Then what's the impedance of RC series circuit? Z is equals to what? R minus JXC. Any question on this? So call this Z1 and call the given question itself Z2. Call the given question itself Z2, meaning 0 negative J 40 ohms. Right? Now, with this, the next step is what? Having done this, what are you going to do next? From equal complex number, equate the Z of the series circuit and the impedance of the question itself, meaning Z1 is equals to Z2. This implies what? R negative JXC is equals to 0 negative J 40 ohms. That is, what's the value of R? 0 ohms. What's the value of XC? How do you get minus 40? How do you get, is it minus 40 or 40? 40. This is it. Negative JXC is equals to negative J 40 ohms. Negative J cancel out, right? Meaning XC is equals to 40 ohms. Now, you've gotten R to be 0 ohms and XC to be 40 ohms. How do you get your R, meaning your capacitance? How do you get C? You relate this capacitance with capacitive reactance, right? And by formula, Xc is given to be 1 over 2 pi Fc. Call this equation 1. From equation 1, make C the subject of the formula. It becomes this, right? Divide both sides by so this cancel out. Therefore, C is equals to 1 over 2 pi Fxc. Substitute. C is equals to what? That will be what? Let's substitute. 2 pi. What's F? 50. What's Sc? 40. What's the answer? 2 pi dot meaning times 50 times 40. What's the answer? 0.0000795. What's the unit? Farad. The unit of capacitor is what? Farad. But you can express in your choice: millifarad, microfarad, picofarad, nanofarad. So let's express this in picofarad. Picofarad. What's this? If you see this, what does this mean? Okay, microfarad. Let's express in microfarad. Meaning you multiply by what? 10 raised power 6. 10 raised power what? 6. So multiply your answer with 10 raised power 6. Meaning your capacitance that you've gotten 0.0000795 times 10 raised power 6 farad. What's the answer? 79.5 microfarad. This is the answer. So that's how it works. Meaning the steps remain the same. For a related question like this is how you go about it. Your first task is what? Make sure your impedance is in what? Is in rectangular form of complex number. Make sure your impedance is in rectangular form of complex number, right? Step 2 is what? Relate the impedance to your series circuit. Is it RL or RC? Conclude. Step 3 is what? Apply equal complex number, right? Then the last step, calculate each parameters, meaning R itself, which is the resistor, capacitance or inductance. So I want you to try this. I want you to try this on your own. This D using same idea, right? Then up to this level, this is obviously this is RC series circuit. So implement the same method and let me know your answer in the comment section. All right, now example 2.